Recovery is the most important period after surgery. That is why here at Tamira, we take care of not only your treatment but also the food that nourishes and nurtures you to your best. We incorporate an anti-inflammatory diet for all our surgical patients. An anti-inflammatory diet is a diet that is rich in lean meats, whole grains, vegetables, fruits, fiber, healthy fats, and spices. This diet not only helps patients who have gone through surgery, but also patients with ailments that are inflammatory in nature, like cystic acne, seborrheic dermatitis, pigmentation from metabolic syndrome, arthritis, and other inflammatory conditions.